My name is Jimmy Tsiantis. I'm in the construction business. We do excavation, demolition, concrete work. The machine I purchased, where I'm very well satisfied, is the Sunward 18UF. It is a perfect machine for the type of work I'm doing. I just enjoy every aspect of the machine. It's very versatile as far as removing items, excavating, moving things around. It's a well-balanced machine. It has lots of power. You'll have no problems handling any tasks that you have at hand. I'm very happy with the purchase of the machine. On a scale, it's 10 out of 10, and you cannot go wrong with this machine. I recommend this to everybody. I would definitely recommend people to look at BDI equipment before making any other purchases. You won't be disappointed.